Hello friends, I have grown few plants in shopper's bags as you all can see here, and after 1 week I find that they are all doing really nice. I just added garden soil in them, and since it's rainy season in India, so I have been watering them with rainwater and they are doing pretty good. These are all, most of them are bread packets and some of them are flattened rice packets, and they are doing really good job as planters in my house. And here in these two bottles I'm trying to rescue these two plants which I found someone just threw them on the road. I picked up and have brought the twigs at home and have added some water in the bottles, and yes, as you all can see, I'm hopeful that these plants will survive, and let's see if I can rescue them. And here you can all see these twigs of moss rose, they are showing roots, and this is just the results after 1 week. You can see very clearly these roots are shooting out, and we can just show them here. So I hope you all like it and you can make great use of your plastic bags by just growing these small plants in them. Thank you all for watching.